Hey, what's up guys? We've got an R1T in the shop today. It's gonna be an all glue pull repair. So let's check it out. We're gonna let you stick around and watch the entire process and see how we do. I know we're gonna start with some cold glue. We've got a couple of creases running this way from the impact. Got to deal with a body line, a little bit of crown work. So let's see how this comes out. Let's get to do it. So those first few pulls were the cold glue. Huge improvements already, right? That's what we want. I need to work on my crowns now some and spread it out. We've got a good crease here, and I need to turn the light. We've got another impact crease right here, and a little something going on there. But moving along nicely. Let's get back at it. All right guys, so that came out great. Not perfect paint wise, right? So we've got two little marks and a little mark here. If you're a body shop, if you're gonna refinish, this is ready to block, paint, and go. I don't even know if you would have to prime. I'm not a body guy, PDR guy, but it is like down to nothing. You saw we started it with a little bit of cold glue, some hot glue, obviously, a little bit of knocking down the crowns, and finished off a couple little soft lows with some cold glue at the end. So tools we used in this repair. The glue, Purpull Perfection PDR glue by Dent Reaper. Gun by Trifecta. Awesome little go-to glue gun. Lighting by DNE, available at Anson PDR. Cold glue, we had Glexo on the big slide hammers. Some VIP cold glue on the small slide hammer from Anson, right? One of my new faves. This is great, and hidden under that little mess is one of Sergio's cold glue tabs. I think I may have heated it up too much when I put it on, and that's why we were having some sticking issues, or stickiness issues, but it pulled great. It's got a nice snap to it. Knockdowns by VIP, hammer by Carepoint, Robo lifter by Kiko. It's a win, guys. To follow us on social media, we are at Auto Appearance Institute everywhere on all of the channels. Our website is automotiveappearanceinstitute.com. And if you want to learn more about glue pulling or learn how to glue pull for collision, gprmasterclass.com. So go check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next repair.